What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JOSHABRAHAM. In it, we're back with the sequence analysis, and I should be done with this today. TODAY today. You hear me, man? You hear me? Where are my headphones at? I should be done in 1 hour. Huh. What? Connected. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. So, I remember this part. That's the part I did not understand. The first double inverted comma and the space, it just leaves the space. I understand that. Now, what's this too? Prints each letter with the space in between. But it just don't make sense. Space dot join sequence 2. That just prints it? Okay. And what is this N? Moves to the next line so you can start printing the rows. Moves to the next line so you can start printing the rows of the dot plot with y-axis labels. Okay, I didn't get this. What? What? I didn't understand what the N does. Like, can I get some visual? Just a minute, I'm gonna mute. Yes. Uh, I'll be right back, okay? I just have it. My friend just called me, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry for these inconveniences, but I'll be right back. And we're back just like that. I know, right? I, I know it doesn't take that much time. Perfect question. This is one of the most important. Come on, stop telling me it's one of the most important. Here's what happens without using n. Print. Here's what happens without using n. Print A B C D E F. Output. Okay, works fine. Each print automatically moves new line after it finishes printing. But inside the string, you can manually tell Python to move to a new line. The special means insert a line break right here. Okay. Uh-huh. So, okay. So this means after writing Okay. Goes to the next line. Okay. Now for here, you're building a string that looks like this. So next line you add something to dot plot, it appears to the next line, which is where you print the next print of y, first y-axis letter and the first row of dots. Uh-huh. Okay, now we're join a dot if cell if cell. Okay, now clone open commander, I'm gonna be refreshing the chat, so I don't think you mind, right? Okay, no problem. Okay. Excellent. You're asking the right question again. Stop wasting time writing these type of useless stuff. Let's go line by line, completely unpack this part. For I row in enumerate dot plot matrix. Dot plot matrix is a big table of true or false values. Each row in it represents one character in sequence 1. Each column represents one character in sequence 2. And enumerate dot plot matrix, this gives you both the current index, like row numbers, row the actual list of true or false. Not gonna lie, I'm still for I row in enumerate. Uh, uh, enumerate dot plot matrix, this gives you both the current index, like row the actual list of true false values for that row. Uh-huh. For I row equals true false true. Okay. For that row. So we're now just considering rows, no columns. Mm-hmm. For I, row in enumerate. So we're talking each row's represented by its own I, or current index. Okay, now inside the loop, dot plot matrix. We add more stuff. into the dot plot string, and sequence 1I. What? This part, take the ith letter from sequence 1 example, the y-axis label, add it to the start of the line, so the row starts with that letter. Add one space for alignment, so the start of each printed row might look like. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, here it's sequence 2. For mine, I'm gonna write sequence 1 there and sequence 2 there. Okay, okay, okay. Because Python usually writes data with each letter or word in each line. Still, okay, let me just, I think that was correct, right? just the first place of the line, like the letter of the sequence one. We don't add. Mhm. Okay. Again, could you? Oh, dude, the pencil's charge is so fucking slow. Oh, Apple, I sometimes just wish you just blew up. Oh. 7, then it's 8. God damn it. Almost done with it. Oh shit, no way. How is it? No. It took me more than 3 or 4 days. Days. You're done with it. Now that's the difference, you know what I'm saying? That's the difference between someone experienced and someone started. Is this? Why do I see this? Why do I know this? Oh, for I row in enumerate, this is just a fancy version of regular for loop. Let's compare normal loop for row in dot plot matrix with enumerate for I row in enumerate dot plot matrix. What? For I row. It's a fancy version of a regular for the loop. For loop. What? No, I don't understand this. What? So what's new? The version of enumerate gives you two things at once: the index number, the actual value of the position. For I, row in enumerate. Row. I is for sequence. God damn it, sequence two. Sequence one. Yeah, I in sequence one. Sequence one is as acts as the y-axis. So each letter takes up the rows. So row in enumerate dot plot matrix for I row enumerate. Let's compare normal loop for row in dot plot matrix with enumerate for I row. What's new? The version of enumerate gives you two things at once: the index position number, the actual value of that position. I kinda understood. Imagine this example without enumerate for row in dot plot matrix, print row. You get each row, but you don't know which row. Okay, with enumerate, that just so you see the position. Okay, it gives me the position. Okay, okay. Now in your code, here's what happening step by step. Enumerate loops through every row in the dot plot. Okay, gives both row number and an actual row, actual list of true or false. Okay. Now sequence I picks the letter from sequence 1 that corresponds to the row. Okay. Because y-axis is labeled with sequence 1. Okay. Join. Now this thing gives a space and joins. Converts the true or false using the document. Join. Okay. We're just saying if the cell, if cell. Students Anna, Ben, Kara for I in the name enumerate students. Print I name. Okay. Oh, it's like enumerate. Like number those. Something like that. Okay. For cell in row. Row is one row of your dot plot matrix. Each row is a list of true or false, representing that row in the matrix. Example now, okay. For cell in a row loops through each element of the row. Oh, okay. Each term, okay, okay. So here cell is just true or false value at a time, okay. Did we just name it or so is the cell like a term in Python, or we can just name anything like word or term, etc. No, cell is not a special Python word. It's a variable name that programmers use. Ah. So you can just, okay, okay. Okay, it's there's an else. Okay, okay, I get it. Oh, not gonna lie. I don't think I can write code straight out of zero. Okay. Now, after this, you return the dot plot string. If I wrote print instead of return, I would get the plot. Oh, I'm still close. What? This sends a string back to wherever the function was called from. It doesn't print anything by itself, it just returns the value so another part of your code can decide what to do with it. Here the function builds the plot. This directly shows the plot on the screen, but then nothing is returned to the rest of the program. You can't save it to a file unless you store it separately. Okay, it will print immediately. I think that's the question. Okay, so it will print the result immediately. Okay, that's good news because I think I only need the. I mean, I could learn how to save it as a file, but does it say in the question? Document test your program in detail. Provide checks for the command line arguments. Provide checks. I don't understand. Is the window size larger than one even meaningful? How does the output change when the window size? Which interpretation can we derive? Arguments and discuss your the write up of these strings. Right. Write a Python program that takes the two strings. If all characters inside the window match between the two sequences, a similar dot should be printed at the position of the character. Therefore, an odd integer can be accepted as a window size consequently. Consequently, a window size of 1 corresponds to a symbol dot plot as predicted in table 1. Illustrates window size 3. Command invocations below. What's with this? Huh? Is it exercise number 3? Okay, that's 3. Test your program in detail. Provide checks for the command line arguments. Is there a window size? Okay. So it's not mentioned in my so it's not mentioned in my question that I have to then the printing the plot. So yes, if you also the question focuses more on your logic. Okay, so I got it. I don't need this. Okay. So let me just test, okay? Let me just test this copy. I gotta paste this somewhere else. Okay, let first copy notes. Or this guy. Oh, it's been a while since I took this. Okay. And we take take it from copy paste. Oh, it worked. Kinda worked. Now let's see what does it do. Shift enter. Whoa, okay. Informatics. Boiling informatics. Okay, window size 1. What? Where is it? What? What? I don't get it. Don't get it. I just don't get it. What just happened? No, it did not work. God damn it. Why? Cancel. What? Oh, that's so fucking weird. Well, what's wrong now? Copy. This is my test code. Looks like. And this is what I got when I tried to run this. What is happening? Not as full script. This line. It's a PyCharms automatic setup message. There's a real issue. Your code didn't run because it didn't call any function. Right now your code defines two functions, but never call these functions at the end. So Python just stops at defining them. At the end of the code. Let me say print. I forgot to do that. PRI print no no does this at the end there's an extra space. Okay, so I just have to put a space. That's it. Space. But I still have one major issue. This line. Oh, okay, okay. Oh no. Why do this? Okay, okay. Should work. Should work, God damn it. Oh no. One, please. 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 Why? No, it's still not here. I don't get it. I don't. Oh. What is this? What? Is it working? Is it not working? I don't know. Oh, can't just keep on copy pasting like this. Where is the result? What? You know what? Nope, it's still not showing the plot. I don't get it. I don't get it. What? This line actually prints the final plot. The part that actually runs the function. Why your code didn't show anything? I really thought I did something. I didn't do shit. Shit. What now? What? Is it the space? No. Now it's only one major flaw. Uh, function print dot plot, and then you call. What? Why? Why is there more and more stuff? Bullshit. You good? Okay. Fuck me. No, one. Okay. Oh. I'm basically done just trying to get it to print properly. Okay. Me too, bro. Oh, I got it. But I mean, you just started doing this and you almost got it. It took me more than 3 or 4 days, but I still don't feel good because I used my friend's code to understand, like, refer this. So, uh, yeah, but still, I got something. And yeah, I still don't. I don't know if if I was doing this, would I start like this? I don't know. Okay, at least I got this. Oh, god damn it. So I got this somehow working. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Way to go. Little Josh Abraham, way to go. Now I need to try the 3, window size 3. And boiling informatics. Oh, informatics. Okay, okay, okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Now, now's the real deal. Okay, it finally worked. Okay, it finally worked. I still haven't figured out. what are these after the return line? The one with all the dots and letters instead of printing it immediately, okay? I want to see the question once more. So, write a program that takes two strings specified by the command line. Please adapt the file name accordingly. Okay, I should use the file name. Return result. Now, if you do, wait, did you get it to print to the terminal properly? Yeah, I got it, but I still need to make some changes. This one is just I just copy pasted from my friend's code. I need to make the changes that I wanted to make. Like, yeah, so I got it, but I still need to make some changes. And I did get some help. Like, I basically got a lot of help from this my friend's code. So, but clone open commander, how I don't know if you could share your code, but did you also use these type of variables and stuff? Cuz I still don't I don't know how are the other ways you could approach this. Especially I don't know, these parts just feel like you could do in different ways. I don't know. Maybe for J, column enumerate, maybe? Can I do that? Oh, but that's, I mean, that's still gonna work, but okay, got it. I got it. Okay. Do you think, I mean, you cannot share your screen, but do you think you could paste it on the whisper, maybe? Damn, you just got it. Let me see how I can paste it. Okay. Do you have an email that you can whisper? Yes, I do. I do have an official email and the Crakathumb email. You know, from the contact, I would say a ABRM. I mean, it's kind of obvious, but yeah. This would be my official email. Did you get it? Like, yeah, I got it. Okay. So I could expect a email any moment. Sign in? Why? Why do I have to sign in? What the fuck? Bee. I'll send it as a text file because .py files don't come in. Yeah, for sure. I want to see how you approached this. Oh, on one side, I'm happy that I kind of did it, even though I just copy pasted my friend's code. I'm happy that I tried to understand what was going on. But on the other side, I'm just so have no idea why or how this works. Or is there any better ways to do this? How many lines did it take for you? Miro, OHJKU, Flixbus, LinkedIn, Black Market, okay. These are not. About 93. What the? 93, okay. That was a bit longer than I expected, but okay. How is your like input? Do you copy paste the like? Do you just write the input? Is that how your input works? Another doubt I had was sent it. It's still not here. Maybe spam. Maybe. Oh shit. Okay. Import sys. I got it. Okay, I got it, and I don't think you mind showing it in front of the screen. I don't think there's any sensitive information, right? I'll open in a new tab. That's fine. Okay. You should be able to run it on terminal. Oh, okay. Dragonite Kingler. Hey, yo, what's up, man? So, user import sys define valid input list attempts to convert input to the proper types. Uh, attempts to convert a return list for I in range 1 to 4. I in 1 to 2. Try accept exceptions as E. Damn, that's this is more complicated. Would you say that? Parse sequence list window size. Okay, I see a lot of list. Parsed equals okay the matrix for I in range. Okay, that is window size. If length of sequence parse dot append sequence return parsed define matrix sequence 1 list sequence 2 list. Nothing, man, just checking you out. Hell yeah, brother. I was doing an assignment. And yeah, I was checking out different forms. Define compare row values, list columns, values, list window size, tuple with found indices. If window size is 1 for NR, enumerate row values for KC and enumerate. Okay, clone open commander, if you don't mind me asking, like, did you just like typed it with your just keyboard? Just like, I cannot do this. I cannot type this all my own. Yeah, just with my brain. Okay. Now that's what the programmer is. No columns equals. Ah, I saw. Okay, you also use this logic. Okay, the what? My friend who's also did this. They also did this part. The if name main import sys, but here you said length sys dot arg print usage dot slash dot py sequence 1 to window size exit sequence 1 to window size valid inputs for n I in enumerate print j in I print j. Ah, my man. Whoa. Okay, okay. And there's a lot of terms that I haven't seen. Maybe it's just maybe some of the terms are some of the terms are that you can just name yourself, right? I think that's why it looks like a lot of terms I didn't see, like these parse. Crakathumb, what is this? Looks like you're coding. Yes, I am coding for my assignment, and I was just checking this out. Like on the right side, it's another coding to like it's another code to the same problem. And yes, I was just checking out different answers to the same question. This is another code to the same question. This is another one. Copy the dot text to dot py and run it on terminal to see. Uh, I just copy this and paste. Whoa, what happened? Here? No, that's just. I can't copy that. Come on. Or should I just save it if you want? Okay. That tells us the interpreter. Okay. So I just. But I can still copy this. Why? Copy? How is it copied? I don't know. Maybe I need to check it. Is it now copied? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, now. So now I could just. So you're telling me if I just paste this on terminal, it should work? Huh? No, no, okay. I should save the file first? Save it as .py. Okay, okay. So, is there a save option? There's a print option. Oh no. That's not what I wanted. Now, details. No, not details. How do I save it? Okay, there's a download. File blocked for security reasons. I wouldn't take this as a. Oh, not this. Okay, I cannot download the file because security reasons, according to Google. Come on. I don't think I should report this as spam. Can I not report this as spam? How do I? It's not spam. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I just saw my spam files, like my spam emails. Oh my god. That's not good. Allow. Okay, we're downloading this. Now it's dot text and I should change it to dot py. Should I save this on the Python file? Use dot py. Okay, I saved it, but it's on the download, so I don't think it matters, right? So I saved it. Now, how do I run it on terminal? Run.py. Oh, and dot dot py. Is that how it is? No, no, just cd. Oh, okay, cd downloads. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's it. Enter. Okay. Now dot py. Okay. Dot py. What? Is it a command not found? What do you mean? It's right here. It is right here. No, you need. Oh, dot. Okay. I need dot slash dot py. Okay. Permission denied. What? What? Should I type that? Oh, what are these numbers? Uh-huh. Permission to run it. Oh. So now I type dot slash dot py. It should work. God damn it. Now what is the problem? Python, no such file or directory. Interesting. What if I just type Python? Okay. Not found, maybe. Maybe the Python. I did not put some space. I think I could. Where is your Python interpreter? I really don't know. Do I have a Python interpreter? How do I? Maybe ChatGPT. Uh, Are you asking like the Python file, like the PyCharm file? That's not on downloads. It's a different place. The python.exe. I think you're talking about the like the file where all these go in, right? Yeah, that goes in another place. It's in the user. It's a long way. You know what? I think if I just copy paste it to the Python, like I just pasted this to the Python file. No, that's not it. It's opening Xcode. It should show up here. .py. Yeah. Change the she bag at the top from. Okay, if I change that, it could work. Where is it? Vim dot py in terminal. Oh, what is this? What? Like, is it bad? Like right now, the file is not in downloads. I'm sorry, I changed it. Maybe I could bring it back or maybe copy a new one. Like, can I copy? Duplicate and I'll put the copy here and duplicate back to the pie is here. Okay, quit out of Vim. Warning has been created after editing started. Load file. L to load file. Load file and options. So I should be pressing. No. Whoa. What? What? Escape. Okay. What now? Uh, does the typing works? No. Recording at C. Now enter. Okay, okay, we're back. And again, vim.py maybe? Okay. Oh, there we go. And press I for insert mode. Uh-huh. Now should I just insert the two like Now change user bin env pi to just pi. Okay, Python. Okay, I need that slash. Ah, come on. That should be good. Press escape and WQ. Okay. Mm-hmm. I did not know these guys have lot of things in them. Now try running dot slash dot pi. Okay. Bad interpreter. User bin Python no such file or directory. What? Again, we don't know where the Python interpreter is. Do you know how do I find the interpreter? For you, Linux. So Python, which Python? Do I just copy paste that? Okay, now found. I think I'm on downloads right now. Maybe that's why. But you know what? What's gonna show up if I run this? No, it's because Python isn't in your path variable. Okay, so how do I get it to the path variable? I like I guess just run it on PyCharm to see. Yeah, I could, but you know how that happens because the script.py starts with shebang. Okay. Line that points to the Python interpreter that doesn't exist on your system. For example, the first line of the script is probably yeah, but doesn't exist on your system. Common on macOS and newer Linux, where Python 3 is installed instead. Here's how to fix it. Check where your Python is installed. Which Python? I don't think I get that. Oh, I got this. Suppose it returns user bin Python 3. Edit the shebang line at the top of .py to point it to the correct interpreter. Okay, I just copy and paste this. So I open the file. Oh, that's gonna be weird because it's gonna open Oh, I could. Okay, okay. I could open through that. Okay, okay. Wim. Stop. Xcode. Get out of here. Wim. Dot. Dot pi. And press I, right? Yeah. And I should change just the last part, if I understand, to 3. That's it. User bin Python 3. Should I get rid of this I slash or hashtag I? Think that should be there, right? Oh, okay. And now W? No. WQ. I believe. Yes. Dot slash dot pi. Okay. Should work. Oh. Now I have to type in the sequence. So should I use those? Should I use those? How do I name those? Those arrows, like the greater than, less than symbol. Use what the exercise gave you without. Okay, okay. So bioinformatics space boiling informatics space. Let's first go with 1. I should have followed the exercise like this, like the whole thing. You forgot the dot slash dot pi. Oh, okay. So should I start from 0 or can I just paste this again with the dot pi? Like with this and then dot slash. Is this gonna work? No. Okay, so dot slash. Now dot slash dot pi. It's boiling informatics? Ah, okay. I can't change it? Whoa. Whoa, what happened? Come on, don't tell me I can't change it. Boiling informat. Okay. So, if I press enter, it should work. No. Do I just copy paste this or like here? What? I don't get it. Okay, I'll just copy paste from you. A bit. So I gotta start again, right? Just okay. Okay, that should be the first. Okay. Okay, dot pi should be first. So how about this? Does this look good? Like this should be good, right? Yes. Oh shit. Ah shit. I gotta try this one. Dot So it is working. It is working. And instead of 3, I need a 1. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Okay, okay. So you could run Python files or code right in the terminal. I knew that, but this is the first time I'm running it. Mm-hmm. Ah. Great, so now you have what your professor wants. Yes, I do, but I'm gonna be real. This thing, it was much like there's a lot of stuff in here. I in range 1 to 4. If I in 1 to try. Damn, you wrote a lot. List for I in range. If length of sequence, I window size. I seen this thing. Parsed append sequence window size plus I return parsed define matrix. Okay. Oh, ho. Sequence 1, 2, window size equals valid input system argument or RGV. Row values, parse. Okay. So another question is like, um, uh, if I just like I want to ask was like for example here the input was given in through the terminal, right? So did you wrote that in the code, or is it like Python and terminal just works together? Like did you have to specify that it's gonna work? No, I wrote it using Vim. Okay, so it's like you have to specify. Uh-huh. Okay. That's cool, actually. That is really cool. You can get this thing here. You know what? Where's my boy? Not gonna lie, Clone Open Commander, I really appreciate this. I could see different viewpoints on the same, like different form of answers to the same question. Boiling informatics, and let's put a put a put a 3, right? It should show this one on the left. Yes. It's an N? What? Okay, that's an N. Okay. Boiling informatics. Oh, wait. Okay, here the x-axis and y-axis are different. For for this one, the first sequence goes as x-axis, but for this one somehow the second one is the x-axis. Yeah, no problem. Not gonna lie, even though it only maybe took you 3 hours, it means a lot to me. And it's that's a big one. It's a big boy. Uh, Now I want to try. Wait, dot slash 3. No, 3. There we go. That's the real one. Well, isn't that pretty? That just looks pretty. Wee, wee, wee. Okay. I believe this also should look similar. We did it. Yes, we did it. Oh. You know what? I need to spend another time to interpret what you did for this question. I've seen these terms enumerate for n row values, column values. Oh, if okay. Else return found indices. Attempts to convert system argument. Okay, now I got my plot. Now what are the things I should be changing? I forgot. Where is my OG code? Was define plot sequence 1, 2, 3. If not sequence 1, not sequence 2, raise value error. Okay. Goodbye. Not goodbye. I just copy. Paste it. And clone open commander. I don't know if you're still here. Have you done stuff like these before? I mean, for sure. Like without doing these, you wouldn't be able to come up with. Yeah, I have. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I gotta write the whole thing from here. Back. No. Delete. Delete. So from here. Did you use PyCharm to write this, or do you have any other your own? just Wim in terminal. Oh, you just use like. Can I just do it right now? Like if I where's this goddamn? Can I just like type Wim? Oh, I think it's still on that. Like I think. Oh, wow. Vim VI improved. Vim is an open source and freely distributable help poor children in Uganda. Uh-huh. Then press I. Okay. So you could just write like what it is. Uh, sequence one. What's equal? Ah, okay. Ooh. Okay. Oh no. Can you do the hashtag thing? Like, where's the hashtag? Oh, hashtag. Hashtag. This is the input sequence. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. I did not know you could like literally write the whole thing. So if you want to exit, it was this WQ. Okay, first escape. Oh yeah. Escape, then this WQ. Oh whoa. Escape. This or QW. What? WQ? Oh, for here it's that one. Okay. Q. Uh-huh. The more you know. I feel more Cody, more how do you say that? Hacker. I feel like a hacker right now. With the binary text. Really cool stuff. Not gonna lie. And now we're back with my old ass codes. So when you did the Wim, did you just like this thing? The user bin python does Wim automatically does this for you, or this also you have to do it you have to do it yourself? Yeah. Okay, so do it yourself. Okay, so it's pretty on hand type of thing. You can interfere. Oh, also, do you think there's a type of AI integration with the Win? Like, is there anything like that? ChatGPT integration or Gemini integration type of things for Wim? Because I heard that there are some. I'm not sure. I just use plain Vim. Okay. Because I heard that there are like integration for PyCharm, where yeah you could type here terminal. Oh, here also we could access WIMP maybe. Oh yeah, there we go. So you press escape, you press you press this Q, and we are back. No. So I got to here where the dot plot matrix. For me, it's dot plot. What? Yeah, we don't have a matrix. We just have dot plot. And for I in range, this creates a blank matrix with all values false at first. Ah, come on. Dot copy dot py. Now I gotta save that file with the assignment because yeah these two should stick together. Mm. Reference code. Yes. So the dot plot, the dot py, and reference sequence both goes into reference code. Whoa, what? Ah, it's gone. That was cool actually. Terminal. For I in range, length of sequence 1 minus window size plus 1. For j in range, length of sequence 2. See, sequence 1 equals sequence 2 dot plot matrix, but instead of dot plot matrix I just wrote dot plot or plot. In my case it's just plot. No, dot plot. Okay. What? What? Why is there a space? Okay. The more I move, it's just mistakes over mistakes. Apparently, you have to discuss the code a bit as part of submission. Yes, if my name is called during the class, I have to present this. Yes. So, yeah, more than just copy pasting this, I have to understand what is happening. What does value errors? What does these stuff mean? And I'm kind of excited and scared. It's like a together type stuff. I'm scared that I might say some stupid stuff, or I might just literally be like, if the professor asks me, "Oh, well, why do we have dot plot matrix dot append? What's the deal with that?" And I'd be like, b- b- no, no, I should explain why, or come on, why, or is it necessary to have this matrix naming here? Center index equals, we just find the middle. I know. This line is where you create an empty container that will hold your results. The grid of the true or false values, it's like starting with an empty piece of graph paper before you start filling in the dots. You can name it anything. Okay. Matrix, grid, board, result, even chocolate cake. But dot plot matrix is such a good descriptive name. So I wrote create dot plot, and oh no, I don't want to give in the naming scheme. It's just plot. Yeah. Plot matrix. Oh, now we got 10 errors. Okay. Oh no. I'm still writing, and could you tell me if okay, I have to charge my watch before bed. It's 9:30. Whoa. Okay. Dude, I, I should be done with the coding today. Today. You're on the right track. What need fixing? Define create plot. You accidentally wrote two functions definition. If not, or sequence 2 define plot. What? Whoa. Why? Why? What was running through my mind when I did that? What? Raise value. Yeah. Why is okay. You are done with the coding technically. Yeah, like I know what I should be doing, but I still haven't done it. Like I know I have to refer this code. I have to still make some changes, especially when I tried running this code. The sequence one was acting as the y-axis, and sequence two was the x-axis. But I want it different. I want like what we got on here. I want the sequence 1 as x-axis and sequence 2 as y-axis. So I have to make those necessary changes, and I want to give in my names for variables, like create plot instead of create dot plot. Yeah, so I'm kind of done, but I still need to write it. That's where a lot of mistakes come up. Indentations and colons. Python is very strict with spacing. You can end lines like. Okay, so that should not be there. Okay, we're down to 5. We're down to 5. Oh. Now, for I in range sequence 1 minus window size plus 1. For j in range length of sequence 2 minus window size plus 1. Sequence 1 I is to 1 plus window size. You know what? It's already 9:33. I could write it, but my mind is pretty worn out right now. So I'm gonna end it here. I'll finish the code tomorrow, and within Tuesday, or I mean the class is on Thursday, so before Thursday I should be able to explain the full code. Yes. Yes. And yeah, I still have the biochemical kinetics assignment. Oh Lord! Oh Lord! How is tomorrow's timetable looking? Saturday, Sunday, general chemistry, physics assignment. Oh no, I have to complete the biochemical assignment. I'm gonna change the math. I'll do math a bit later. 3 to 5. Bio. Should I do it at the end of the day? Um, yeah, I think. Yep, at the end of the day, before I do general chemistry, finish this BSA code. Yep, looks pretty good. I please, oh Lord, please let me follow this timetable. Please, I don't want. Okay. Well, that's it for today. Peace out, YouTube. Just clone open